Now this one has pink dots. So there's purple dots, pink dots, and red dots. And blue dots a little bit. It just worked. It's not working. This is broken. This one I found on the floor at Space Alien, so probably got stepped on and then it was broken. Yeah, I could see that. Red dot one. Oh, fail.